everybody. Now I am conducting class 5 social studies first chapter last part, that is the life of the woman. Okay, from Stone Age we get the idea how people was there, how the appeared, how did human being appear on the earth, how what was their habits, what was about their shelter, about their art, about everything, about their food habit. Now today we will know about the lifestyle of the women, or how much women were important in their society. Better you will open your book and listen to me carefully. Okay, just I want to tell you, I wish to discuss that women looked after the children. They also gathered food like fruits, roots, berries and seeds. They knew which plants and seeds could be eaten, when the fruits and berries ripened, and where they grew. That means women were, as their normal nature of women, they always like to take care of their children. They knew many more important thing about the food, okay, about the fruit also, when they will it will ripen, and when it will take place, where which soil is appropriate for that fruit. They knew all these things. Okay, next, they used pointed stone and stick as tools to dig up the root. They use generally the pointed tools to dig up the roots. It will help the roots to be like to help to grow the plants. All these were very important skill for the hunter gatherers. That means these are their important inbuilt skills. They have that skills. These skills, every hunter gatherers, they have that skills. Okay, hunter gatherers lived in a group of many people because they needed each other to hunt, to carry food home, to gather food, and to look after the children. As I told at the last class, they always like to live in a group. Okay, and one more important thing, the last thing, that hunter gatherers in India, generally hunter gatherers, where we get them from the cave work of Bhimbetka in MP, and there we will get, generally most of these are caves like Satpura. Okay, there if you will visit over there, you will get, if you will go to the caves, you will see there the pictures. From the pictures, as I last class I spoke about that, from the drawing we can get the idea, because it will help, it helps the archaeologists a lot to gather the information about the hunter gatherers. Now this topic we completed. Okay, from the beginning if we recapitulate about this Stone Age, so we will get one after another everything. Your task is, you will do the exercises. Which thing you will do next class, I would like to discuss few things like exercise A, complete the following sentences. Then you will do B, choose the correct answer. C, match the following. Then your home task is A, B and C. And question answer, next class I will provide you the question answers. Okay, so up to that, stay tuned, bye bye and be